Network Entertainment.
Yung mga selos-selos, that's control. That's not love.
Right.
That's obsession. I know a lot of people like, nagsiselos yun eh. Pag ganyan lumala, oh my God, girl, that will turn into like jail, prison. So feeling ko yun, ayoko ng mga ganyan. As I've said, I want a relationship where I will thrive.
Right.
Not shrink.
Right. So for people who say, ang dami mo namang requirements, mahirapan ka niyan.
Ay, gusto ba nila malaman ano yung ilalagay ko sa table?
Go!
My requirements come from, I know what I provide.
Right.
Tsaka, hindi lang ako nagto-talk about this. These people exist. I meet them
Yeah.
all the time. Maybe, I believe sa environment kinagagalawan nila.
Yes.
Walang ganto. But sa environment na kinagagalawan ko, all these men are normal. Ang dami kasing lalaki.
So newsflash, maraming lalaki. Hi, this is Mirza Sison. Welcome to You Can Do This, a podcast that'll help you achieve your dreams and goals one episode at a time. What are you waiting for? Let's go! You're strong, independent, have a full life of your own. So why does love feel more complicated instead of easier? Why is it so hard to date without shrinking yourself, rushing your timeline, or betraying what you've worked so hard to build? And how do you stay open to love without losing your sense of self? Today's guest is known for creating viral content featuring honest conversations about her lived experience with singlehood, dating with intention, resisting relationship timelines, and making empowered choices around love, marriage, and family. A self-made success, the founder and CEO of Access Travel and host of the Life in Progress podcast, is also a 2024 Cosmo Woman of Influence and a TED Talker. In this episode, she shares her grounded real-world guide to navigating love as an empowered and independent woman. Welcome back to the show, Angeli Dove.
Hello.
Hello. Ba't
Nice to
parang
be here.
tulala ka?
Like, oh my God, ibubuklat yung pinaka-private part ng life ko. Charas.
Sana. So for anyone listening who doesn't know you yet, how would you describe your life right now?
I'm happy. This is the happiest I've been.
Wow. And you're 35
Maiyak
years
na naman
old.
ako. Yung mga tanong mo kasi.
Go lang. Go lang.
These are
iyak.
happy tears. This is the happiest.
Wow.
And I don't have New Year's resolutions. And this is coming from a place that I've worked so hard on. If you'd ask me, I don't want to change anything about who I am right now.
Wow.
I want to enjoy it.
Even everything you've gone through,
Yes.
even the heartaches.
Yes. Like this version of me is my favorite one.
Wow.
I am so in peace with myself, with my family, with my business, with my present, with my manliligaw. I think this is the prime of my life
Wow.
in all aspects.
Love it.
All aspects.
That's so inspiring for anyone who has not reached that
Yes.
state yet.
Yeah. This is the most calm, grounded, and healed I've been.
Great.
And I want to enjoy it for one more year. Next year na ako mag-New Year's resolution.
So you've always been very adamant about your followers or women to build their own life first before even dating or having relationships. What do you really need to figure out about yourself?
You need to become self-sufficient in all aspects.
Right.
I don't care how rich your parents are, how rich your husband is or your partner is. Become self-sufficient.
What does that mean?
Physically, kailangan marunong ka mag-travel from point A to point B. Find a way.
Marami pang adults na hindi marunong tumawid ng street,
Yes, and that's such a tiny thing.
let alone
Because
mag-travel.
Lagi sinasabi ng mama ko, bilog ang mundo. You never know what could happen. And all
Right.
the wealth na meron ng isang tao, pwede yan mawala overnight. And I've experienced that. Not wealth, business.
Mm.
Overnight, I did not have access travel anymore.
Right.
And I thought that was going to be my whole life. So that's when I've learned, Mom was right. be so self-sufficient that yung buong mundo kinagagalawan mo, magiging add-on na lang. Partner, friendships, everything. It may sound weird to other people. It may sound masculine to a lot of people. But I don't believe our purpose in life is complete if we can't be self-sufficient. Because lagi sinasabi na mama ko, mag-isa ka dumating sa mundo, mag-isa ka rin mamamatay.
Right. I remember when you interviewed me in 2020 and then I said the title of this book called Men Are Just Desserts. And I remember you loved it so much.
Yes, it was my first time to encounter that. I still use it up to this day.
So parang very applicable siya. Become self-sufficient because you are the main course.
Mhm.
Men are just desserts.
Kasi I don't think being an adult has something to do with being feminine or masculine or sa gender.
Right.
What does it have to do? Babae ka and malaki ka kumita.
Uh-oh.
Why is it so wrong na I'm a woman, I want to wear an AP watch, I want to buy a Ferrari, I want to buy a Lamborghini? What's so wrong with that?
Right.
When a woman dreams of these things, she's called masculine. But when a man dreams about these things, oh wow, ang galing tayo mo pangarap. So parang, why ang babae pag ganun, instant masculine?
Who
na
is
agad?
saying it's wrong?
I mean, a lot of people. Especially in Asia.
Mm.
That's why I moved to Europe. I don't want to be in this kind of environment. In Europe, I'm just a normal girl like everyone else. People have dreams. People take PhDs and everything. Wala nagtatanong asawa mo, anak mo. Mirza, when I moved to Spain, my life changed. I think that's why I became my best version na calm and grounded. Because finally na-feel ko, nag-fit ako somewhere na walang pakilamanan.
Right. Right. Anong kinalaman nito sa love?
Pressure.
Mm.
Here, sometimes you're not even ready. You just settle for the first thing you see.
Mm.
And I always say that's sa young girls. If men explore, you should too.
Mm.
Diba? You should not believe in this love at first sight bullshit.
Ano?
Before siguro.
Oo.
Kasi wala mang technology, no, wala mang options.
Mm-mm.
Like I was having this conversation with my mom. I was like, Mom, you gave birth to me at the age of 20.
Mm.
And I will never judge you for that. Kasi no time mo, normal yun.
Mm.
But sabi ko, imagine, kung ako yung nag-anak ng 19, hindi ko mapaforgive yung sarili ko. Kasi I had the options right in front of me. You sent me to the US. You sent me to Paris. Tapos biglang nabuntis ako.
Mm.
Diba? Sabi ko, sisisihin ko sarili ko nung buong buhay ko na ako nagkamali, not you. Minsan kasi, we have these patterns. Pag mayroon tayong ginawa, sinisisi natin magulang natin. Ganun din nanay ko eh.
Oo.
So sabi ko, I will never ever, parang I can't imagine myself na mabuntis na ganun. And yeah, sa love, siguro dito, ang daming pressure. Parang you settle for the first person you meet. Parang, I will ask all of you a question. Are you living your life for someone else?
I think they are.
Why?
Maybe they don't know any better.
I can't. Parang, sayang buhay.
Yeah.
Parang, nagkatrabaho ba ako para sa ibang tao? Parang, ayoko naman matulog every night. Isipin ko, masaya ba si Mirza sa decision kong to? Ano ba kinalaman ni Mirza sa buhay ko? Pero diba? I think that's one thing we really need to leave behind na. If we cannot help yung mga older generation, 30s or 40s or kasame ko, even yung younger na lang sana, maka-pick up ng something valuable sa conversation na to, leave that mindset behind. Live life for yourself. If you find love like Mirza, 42 ka na nun? When you got married?
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah. Ayoko talaga mag-asawa.
Diba?
Kasi why? Unless.
Yes.
Diba?
Hindi na siya mandatory eh.
Yeah.
Maybe it's very cultural as well. But I think we have the right, we have the resources and everything nowadays to break all these barriers. Hindi tayo nabubuhay para mag-fit in lang sa mga nagawa na. We need to create a life na worth living. Every day gigising ka, kakaiba yung buhay mo. Parang kanina nag-gym ako, inisip ko. Sabi ko, ang dami ko nakita stories today, papasok na yung mga kakilala ko sa work. And here I am, 7 in the morning working out. And I created this life for me. If I chose to be like others, ganun yung buhay ko. And for them, I am the weird one.
Yeah.
For me, they are the weird ones. Right?
Right.
Kasi
right.
nga perspective. Para sa ibang tao, weird ako. Bakit ka nagpapa-freeze na eggs? May tsura ka naman, may pera ka naman, magbuntis ka na, mag-anak ka na. Sabi ko, ayoko nga. Kung sino lang mamit ko. Parang as I've told you, I reconnected with my ex-boyfriend last year. Kung syunga-syunga ako, despite all the things that happened to us, di sana nagpabuntis na ako, kinasal na kami, alam ko magsasuffer ako, but self-sufficient ako. Talagang binacktrack ko. Ano na ba ambag niya sa buhay ko ngayon? And I always say this openly, love of my life yun. I became smart. I said no. I cannot go back to my old patterns. I'm already so far. Kung na-pressure ako, kung nag-ask around ako para gawin mali ang decision sa buhay ko, siguro kasal na ako now. Buntis na ako sa kanya, numiyak ako kung saan-saan. Right?
Right.
That's why I froze my eggs. Because that was the end of our chapter. Sabi ko, wala na to. It's not him. And I don't care about what people think about my life, my decisions. At the end of the day, pera ko to, buhay ko to. Ako naman magsusustento nito. I think we need to become like ganun klase ng tao na ako ang in charge sa life ko.
Yes.
That's it. Punto.
I'm so happy and I'm beaming with pride. Kasi noon, ako yung weird in
Yes.
my generation. And I tried so hard to fight, to inform and educate women to have this kind of life. And now you are the embodiment.
I hope na
of those
sinashadow kita
efforts.
somehow. Maiyak na naman ako.
And now it's your turn to tell everyone
Yes.
what a great life you've created for yourself with intention
Mhm.
and with strategy and not by chance or default.
Yes.
Right.
And a lot of people gossip about me. And meron ako nabasa lately lang ng gossip. Wala manliligaw yan. Walang lalaki. Ay, Diyos ko, kung alam mo lang. Nasisiraan na nga. Feeling ko, isa pa yun.
Gossip ng mga taong kakilala mo.
Hindi.
Okay.
Di ba nauuso na ngayon yung mga Reddit?
May Reddit thread.
Oy, sikat na si Miss Angeli. Charas. Tapos may nag-comment nga doon na parang, wala namang manliligaw yan. Masyado kasi masculine.
Oh my God.
Because people don't know me.
yeah.
I have this persona that I've created for my business.
Yes.
I always say this. I have a life that I am in love with outside online.
Right.
My persona online. And my online life is just like, I curate it.
Yeah.
I put what benefits me and my business.
It's what you want people to see.
Yes.
Right.
Because I make money out of that. I don't put all those things to be
Right.
relevant. Or
Right.
ayaw nga pag-usapan ng mga tao. Pag nga may nagbe-viral na video, sabi ko, eto naman, mapapadpad na naman ako sa hindi ko target market. Eto na naman yung mga gagawa ng mga walang kakwenta-kwenta, mga chismis na walang kinalaman, di ako kikita. So, yeah, that's why I've learned, like, these people don't add any value to my life. They will create noise. And they call it in our generation, humble women. You don't need to humble me. I
May
work
ganon?
on myself.
Oh my God.
I go to therapy. I do my inner work. And yeah, I think parang going back sa conversation kanina, when a man dreams big, pinipraise siya.
Right.
But when a woman dreams big, masculine siya. Because masyado na tayo naging used to na men lang ang nagdi-dream ng big. That's why they see it masculine.
Right.
A lot of people sa society are still not ready see women build empires and everything.
Still ha? In
Still.
2025,
Yeah.
2026, ganun pa rin.
Yeah, and inaasar ko lalo akong gumagawa ng post na naka-first class ako. Bumibili ako ng Birkin ko. Because in today's world, that's something I'm really proud of. That's my money. I've worked on it. It's clean money. With all the scandals and everything, that's
Right.
something I should be really proud of as a woman. I am capable of making money on my own, be self-sufficient to buy everything I want. Imagine, ano magagawa ko if I choose to have a kid?
Right.
Na ngayon self-sufficient na ako, isi-share ko na lang siya sa asawa ko, sa anak ko, or kung ano man mangyayari.
Right.
And that has been the goal. That's why I
Right.
moved to Spain. Gusto ko, pagkalabas na anak ko, European na siya. Hindi na siya magsa-struggle yung mga struggles na pinagdaanan ko. I'd rather get married late kaysa pagdadaanan ng anak ko yung mga nonsense na mga pinagdaanan ko.
Right.
And I think for me, that's the best gift I can give to my child
Right.
and to my partner. Na hindi na ako kailangan isipin, ay, magtatampo ba si Angeline? I don't think may bandwidth pa ako pagdaanan yun. Gusto ko, when I'm ready to settle na, when I want to get married na, like, parehas kami nasa same wavelength na. Actually, a lot of people are worried. Ito yung theory ko dyan. I'm 34. Yung mga men na ka-age ko, nasa peak din sila. Yung mga men na nagto-thrive. Kaya, hindi pa talaga parehas. Hindi pa nagsisettle down. Like all my friends na Aussies, ngayon pa lang, 36, 37 na sila. Ngayon lang ako nakakita na engaged na sila. So if they can be like that, bakit parang hirap na hirap yung mga tao dito sa side ng world natin na maging ganun? At the age of 25, Mirza, ano ba nagawa mo na?
Hindi ka pa buong tao.
Sige, yung tao, sige. Sige, itabi na natin. May pera ka na ba nun? Let's just talk about superficial things na lang.
Yeah.
You can't even fund yourself.
Yeah.
Ano story, like ko ito sinasabi, Mama, kung nag-asawa ako ng 23, ano ikukwento ko sa anak ko? Si Mami nabuntis na lang. Eto dito ka na, wala pa ako nagagawa. And like now, if magkaanak ako, let's say next year, imagine, mabasahin niya yung mga libro na ginawa ko. Papanoorin niya yung podcast ko. Papanoorin niya yung mga YouTube videos ko. And I believe kids become what they see. So if my kids will see these things, malaking chances na magiging ganun din sila. Less effort ka na lang, hindi na yung kalkal ka ng story. Eto, ngayon may kukwento na ako sa anak ko. There was a girl who went around the world and that was your mom.
Right.
Right?
Why do you think most people don't think that far?
Ang hirap naman ng conversation na yan. I think masyado sila nadadala sa nakikita nila online.
Right.
First factor. Second factor, as I always say, it starts sa family. Family ko kasi walang pressure eh. Our mom always trained us. Your first purpose in life is to enjoy your own life.
Wow.
If that comes from
That's
your
so
mother,
rare.
sino pa ba iisipin mo? Nanay mo na nga nagsabi. Like when I told her I'm gonna freeze my eggs, sabi niya, hanap ka na ng sperm. Pass mo na sa iba. That's a blessing to have that kind of parent.
Yeah.
Like now, sabi niya sa kapatid ko lalaki, last night, pinag-drive ko siya pa uwi. Punta na tayo na States, kukunin namin sperm cell mo, kami na maghanap ng surrogate para may tagamana na.
So practical.
Like, I love my mom. She's educating herself sa current na world.
Yeah.
She's no longer forcing yung beliefs ng time niya.
Yeah, amazing.
Sabi niya pa sa akin, ano tawag dun? Surrogate. Sabi ko, surrogate. Oh yes, mag-surrogate na tayo. Imagine, sabi ko, dapat us, including myself, tayo din, nag-aaral tayo, ano yung current na generation. Like, I work with a lot of Gen Zs. Inaaral ko, ano ba sila? Mama ko is like that. I got it from her. If she can learn paano yung mga millennials,
Yeah.
ina-apply ko yun sa business ko, I can learn how the Gen Zs are.
Right. Okay, ito tayo sa exciting part.
Ano naman yan?
Pagdating sa dating, love, looking for a partner, what are the things you will not compromise on anymore? So I guess first nabanggit mo itong masculine, feminine bullshit na acting
Oh
like
my
more
God.
like a woman and not like a man. I guess yon, di ba? Ano pa?
Naiinis ka din doon? Parang ewan,
Hello,
no?
pinaglalaban ko na yan for decades.
Actually, never ko i-compromise ang financial stability. I will
Right.
never date anybody less than me. Sa pera.
Financial wise, right?
As in, pass.
Right.
I don't glamorize suffering.
Right. Paano kung artist?
Sorry. No. Marami na naligaw sa akin ng artist and I was straightforward. I was like, I really love your job, but it's not for me.
Okay, so you're practical.
Sabi
that
ko,
way.
and I love to have a slow life, but it's a reward after working. I cannot make it my way of
Right.
life.
Right.
Imagine everyday slow life. Parang di ko takaya. That's for my 60s. Or my, di ba, ganyan.
Right.
I'm a respect to all the artists, but it's just not for me. We have our preference, di ba? I mean, siguro kung artist na may generational wealth. Charay. Hindi ko rin sila makasundo.
Paano kung hindi mo alam magiging amazing success pala sila.
Oh,
Pero
that's-
hindi pa ngayon.
That's one thing. If I met this person ng 25, sabay namin i-build namin. Sabay namin i-build yung life.
Right.
Okay lang.
But at this
lugi
age-
ako. Lugi ako, I've built myself. Tapos biglang ako yung magbi-build sa kanya. I don't think I deserve that.
Right.
I think if I'm already built, kailangan with someone built na rin ako.
Right.
Or
So-
same level, sabay pa namin papaanda rin.
right.
But if aatras ako, that's so unfair to me.
right. So,
Does it make sense?
yeah. And that's your preference.
And that's my
right?
preference. And I'm
Right.
not ashamed to say that. I put so much value sa money. And it doesn't mean you have to be a millionaire, billionaire.
Right.
No. That means you need to compromise to be part of my life as well.
Right.
If I want to fly business class, kailangan afford mo din yun. Kasi ganun ko nakikita yung buhay ko moving forward. Di na ako aatras.
Right.
Hindi na ako babalik sa economy. Did I work my whole life para ipalipad sarili ko and mama ko sa business class para umatras for somebody? Kasi at the end of the day, stranger pa din yun eh.
Mm-mm.
I know this is a very controversial na
Mm-mm. Do
Yun
they
yung-
say, ay, ang mata pobre mo naman?
Yes, of course. They always say that. I was like, paano kay John? Ako naman ang magbabayad nito. Ganun naman eh. Mirza, alam mo, na-realize ko, dati parang nagtataka ako, sabi ko, mata pobre. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, paano? So when I get these comments, I always like analyze, evaluate myself. Maybe
they're,
I am.
okay.
Tapos na-realize ko, di naman ako kilala ng taong yun eh.
Mm-mm.
Diba? I believe sa isang tao, subjective yung experiences. Every person I meet, may iba-iba experience nila sa akin. Ikaw, iba experience mo. Maybe bukas may makilala ka na kilala mo, iba experience niya sa akin. Because I don't show up this way
Right.
sa everybody.
Right. Right.
Diba? So, that's why I always encourage people to not believe in gossips.
Mm.
Kasi subjective
Mm.
lahat.
Right. Okay, ano pa? So, financial.
Financial. Ay, speaking, may add akong story. Kaya kami hindi nagkatuluyan nung isa kong dinate. He was a father figure.
Meaning,
As in, kaya
father figure,
niya maging
may edad na?
daddy ng mga anak ko. Nakita ko yun sa kanya.
You saw his
Father
potential.
figure ba siya? Potential niya.
To be a father
Yes.
for your children.
Yes, he took care of me like with his whole heart.
Okay.
Ano yung wala? Wala siyang pera?
Hmm.
Sabi ko, ibig sabihin nito. Ako
Ikaw ang
ba?
kakayod.
Sabi ko, yoko.
Ayaw mo ng house husband. Okay.
I believe in roles.
Okay.
Kailangan may pera tayong parehas. But ako yung mom.
Okay.
Ikaw yung dad. Yung roles ng lalaki, ikaw pa rin gagawa. Ako, gagawin ko pa rin roles ng babae. Pera ko, pera mo, pera ko din. Yun yung paniniwala ko.
Okay.
Gusto ko pag nag-wife ako, nag-mom ako, yung roles ko, yun. Ayoko magdagdag ng additional goals. Di ba, we always talk about, ano ba yung tawag sa term na yun? Provider.
Mm.
For me, it goes beyond money. Emotional. Yung may sense of security and safe ka with that person. For me, that's also being a provider. Maybe, kahapon may sinabi sa akin mama ko, sabi ko, hindi ako mahilig sa mga sasakyan. Sabi niya, sayang naman, di ka mahilig sa sasakyan. Sana ang dami natin mga gandang sasakyan ngayon. Sabi ko, mama, wala akong hilig. Tapos, na-crackdown ng mama ko, bakit hindi ako mahilig sa sasakyan? Sabi niya, you had that growing up. I had cars. Your dad had cars. Maybe that's why wala kang hilig. So yung may kinalaman pala yun, yung kinalakihan mo na normal. Hindi ka mahilig.
Mm.
Parang yung wala ka, yun
ang
yung
gusto
nagiging
mo.
hilig mo.
Kaya may father figure.
Yes.
Kasi namatay.
Kaya nakita ko yun, sabi ko, kaya ako na doon, sabi ko, oh my God, pwede siya maging daddy ng mga anak ko. Kasi growing up, hindi naman kami walang-wala.
Right.
So hindi ako na-attract. Importante yung money, pero hindi yung parang nagpapa-attract sa akin sa lalaki.
Right.
I always look beyond yung emotional, kaya niya ba akong alagaan pag may nangyari sa mama ko. I always look at that, kaya ba ako alagaan nito pag nanganak ako. So yun, hindi ko i-compromise yun. That person, kailangan marunong siya i-take care ako when I go through these worst things in my life.
Paano kung good emotional provider but not financial? Mayaman ka naman
ibig
diba?
sabihin? Actually, tinanong kayo sa isang friend ko. Actually, wala pa ako sagot dyan. I'm still trying to figure it out. But Mirza, sa defense ko naman, wala naman na nililigaw sa akin na walang pera. So, hindi ko rin masabi.
Okay. Ito yung sinasabi mo,
May
na
bahay
father
siya.
figure.
May
Okay.
bahay siya.
So, pwede na yun.
Pero yung paniniwala niya kasi sa work, hanggang dun lang. Kaya niya mag-grow, ayaw niya mag-business.
Okay.
Chef kasi siya.
Okay.
Sabi ko, let's start a restaurant. Ayaw niya.
Okay.
So I think it's his mentality yung nagpa-off
Right.
sa akin. Na okay na siya sa ganun lang kinikita
Baka
niya.
kaya rin siya may fatherly instincts kasi ayaw niyang...
Ba't may bahay siya?
Diba?
So, yeah.
Okay.
So yun.
Okay.
So yun yung nangyari. So far naman sa akin, I don't think may lalapit sa akin na walang pera. So far di ko pa na-experience.
Okay.
Parang hindi naman ata ako nagbibigay ng ganung vibe.
Unless Tinder swindler pala sila.
So yun.
Okay,
So
ano
far
pa?
naman lahat na lumalapit sa akin may ano.
Okay.
So pag naka-experience na ako ng ganun, I'll let you know.
Okay. Ano pa?
Next is very important to me na love niya yung family niya.
Okay.
Because I put so much importance sa family ko. Pag hindi niya love yung family niya, I don't think mamahalin niya yung pamilya ko.
Para kung may issues lang.
Issues are okay. I have my
Like,
issues with my mother. Like kami
okay.
nag-aaway. Like my dad died ganyan. Okay lang yung issues. I can compromise with issues. Pero yung, I am talking about like, I hate my mom. I haven't talked to my mom for the last 10 years.
So red flag yun sa'yo.
Ayoko. I cannot. Kasi parang, huh? Itong ka nang galing? Parang,
Aven Innovation. Wrinkles, loss of firmness. To slow the effects of aging, we have to target cellular senescence. Aven dermatologists developed Hyaluron Active B3, an exclusive formula with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid that regenerates the skin and reduces wrinkles. By Aven.
sa parents, very soft ako. Parang, our parents can be very stubborn. Sometimes, pag tayo na yung matanda, we need to adjust to them.
Right.
We need to forgive them. Sila yung nagiging students natin.
Right.
At least in my case.
O ano pa?
Financial. Ano ba nangyari?
Financial pa lang.
Financial ba yung lahat? Hala?
No, loving the family. Okay, ano pa?
Siguro, ano ko is, for me, love is about compromising and not giving up my life.
Okay.
Hindi ko give up yung life ko being a
Sasabihin,
businesswoman.
tumigil ka na. Mayaman naman ako.
No,
Sabay ka na lang.
ayoko.
Okay.
Parang, compromise gagawin ko. Maybe, example, kunyari, taga Madrid kami. Sasabihin niya, wag ka na uwi ng Pilipinas. Gagawin ko yon. Kung kailangan ko mag-record ng podcast, papaliparin ko lang yung videographer namin, imbis na ako. Ganon. For me, that's what love is, compromising. When someone is asking you to give up, that is not love. That's
Right.
control.
Right.
Right? Like, ganun ako pinalaki na mom ko. She never controlled me. So I don't think I can be with someone na ito try ako i-control.
Right.
Because I don't know how that is.
Yeah.
Right?
And do you see it in other relationships
Oh, yes.
of people you know?
Yes. Like, very close friend of mine in Spain. We used to be very close. And then, nagkaroon siya ng boyfriend. Medyo hindi ko kasundo yung boyfriend niya kasi super sensitive. So, I stopped hanging out with him. Then, parang after a couple of, yung boyfriend niya nagsiselo sa best friend kong lalaki. Sabi ko, Sabi ko, hindi kanya type. Sabi ko, iba ang type niyan. Sabi ko, tsaka marami yan ibang girls. So, sabi ko, my friend is so educated in all aspects. Hindi ka man lang niya kakausapin. So, those petty things. So, the girl just unfriended me.
Right.
Instead of talking about it, wala. So,
Okay.
pag ganun, nakikita ko, ako din, ayoko na malagay sa mga ganun situation. And ako mismo, Mirza, ayoko ng drama sa buhay.
Mm-hmm.
I may seem this type of person online, but in my personal life, I am such a chill person. Kahit sa mo ko hatakin, kahit sa mo ko yayain. Like when we do our gantong thing, kita mo, I don't give you headaches. I give you, this time I'll be there.
Right.
Alam mo yun, ang daling kausap. And
Right.
that's the type of partnership and love that I
Right.
look forward to.
Right. So how does this, anything else?
Nasabi ko na
Oo
lahat
nga
eh.
O baka meron pa.
Ano pa
Anyway.
ba?
So,
Ay, last na.
Oh.
Yung mga selos-selos, that's
okay.
control. That's not love.
Right.
That's obsession. I know a lot of people like, nagsiselos yun eh. Pag ganyan oh my God, girl, that will turn into like jail, prison. So feeling ko yun, ayoko ng mga ganyan. As I've said, I want a relationship where I will thrive,
Right.
not shrink.
Right. So for people who say, ang dami mo namang requirements, mahirapan ka niyan.
Ay,
Anong
gusto ba nila
sasabihin mo?
malaman ano yung ilalagay ko sa table?
Go!
My requirements come from I know what I provide.
Right.
Tsaka, hindi lang ako nagto-talk about this. These people exist. I meet them
Yeah.
all the time. Maybe, I believe sa environment kinagagalawan nila.
Yes.
Walang ganto. But sa in an environment na kinagagalawan ko, all these men are normal. Normal. My ex-boyfriend
Right.
was like that. The guy that I was seeing was like that. Exactly like
So
that.
they exist.
Actually, i-add ko pa nga mga nag-workout pa mga yan. Nagma-marathon and everything. Nag-gym yan every day. Maybe sa environment natin dito, wala sila. The world is so big.
Right.
It's just a matter of environment. But if maghanap ako na ganyan dito, wala. Sa environment ko dito, kasi lit na environment ko
yeah,
dito.
yan ang context nila.
So
Right.
context basis, they speak from their perspective.
Right.
I speak from my perspective.
Right. So among all the things that you won't compromise now, which one do you think women struggle the most when they're scared of ending up alone?
I think money.
Mm.
They have na eh.
Yeah.
Kasi, this is again my perspective. A lot of women, their first factor is money.
Okay.
But
Not
when,
even looks.
diba?
Hindi na.
You can agree with that? Yes, you agree with that. Many women put a lot of value kasi ganun ang pagpapalaki sa kanila.
Right,
Maghanap ka
right.
ng someone na susuportahan ka.
Parang marami akong kilalang hindi nga eh.
Hindi na ganyan. O, sa
Okay,
context,
anyway.
perspective. Sa akin, sa kinagagalawan ko, nakakilala ko, marami ng women ganyan na parang nag-groom sila na either emotionally, financially, may support.
Mm.
Ganun kasi sila pinalaki. Sa part ko, pinalaki ako, wala kang kailangan kahit kanino.
Mm.
So, parang it's a matter of paano ka pinalaki. Some women were groomed
Yeah. Na maghanap ng
ng may pera. Check.
provider talaga.
Providers. Some women were groomed, you don't need anybody.
Right.
So, walang tama and mali.
Mm-mm.
It's just based on how you are living your life. Yesterday, may kinukwento sa akin mama ko, na sabi ng yaya namin, ay, pokpok yan eh. May someone. Sabi na mama ko, Shane, hindi mo alam anong pinagdaanan ng tao.
Wow, napaka-wise naman ng mama.
Para umabot dyan. Next time you say those words, isipin mo muna. Sabi Shane, ay oo nga no. Sabi na mama ko sa kanya, ikaw ba, minsan ba naisip mo, papasok ka sa bahay namin, ganyan, alagaan mo mga aso namin doon? Hindi. Kasi sabi niya, kaya ka na pumasok dito kasi di ka nakapagtapos ng school and nagkasakit yung parents mo. That's your story. That person also has a story. So, lahat tayo, we carry our own story. So, sometimes when naririnig ko, ay may sugar daddy yan eh.
Mm.
Kaya ganyan.
Mm.
We don't know what they went through.
Right.
Paano sila pinalaki, ano yung kailangan nila at some point in their life na yun yung nagligtas sa kanila. Kaya ako sinabi to, kasi di ba sabi mo, looks.
Mm.
For other women, hindi siya nagmamatter.
Mm.
Kasi na buong life nila, hindi sila nagkaroon ng chance to have that as the option.
Right.
Pera lang yung naging option
Survival
nila. Survival,
option.
right?
Right.
Like in my case, lahat ng options open.
So you've talked about freezing your eggs,
Mhm.
diba? So after you did that, how did it change the way you view dating and relationships? Did it give you like freedom na, oh, I don't have to worry, naka-freeze na yung eggs ko, so there's no clock ticking.
Alam mo, this may sound weird. Hindi ko din alam. I never felt pressured.
Okay.
Hindi ako na-pressured. Ako kasi, I believe in my life and in my journey.
Right.
And some people say, oh, nagsisinungaling yan deep inside, ganyan. Sige, nakasilip na kayo sa deep inside ko,
Nakakatawa
chares. I don't know. I never had the pressure of getting married, kids. Ewan ko, siguro na-wire na talaga yung mind ko na if it's for me, it's for me. If wala,
Right.
fuck it.
Right. But freezing your eggs, di ba other people, they just settle for any guy because they're afraid
Mm-mm.
na hindi na sila magkaka-baby.
Mm-mm.
So since na-freeze mo yung eggs mo, you can have a baby at 55, right? And date freely.
Mm.
How did this change the way you look at men and you look at partners?
Ay, ang hirap naman. ang tanong mo.
Dumali?
Hindi ko pa iniisip.
Okay.
I-
Basta ginawa mo muna.
Yeah, ginawa ko na. That's one thing I like about myself. Once ginawa ko na isang bagay, tapos na siya.
Okay.
I don't let it parang be this, a center of my decisions.
Right.
Mirza, as I've said, nung nag-start tayo ng podcast, I really want to enjoy my life because at the end of the day, hindi mo alam hanggang saan ka lang.
Tama.
Like, I don't want to live in future. I know all my decisions today will land me a good future because I know I've worked so hard to be a good person.
Right.
And I continue to work on that. This is my spiritual side that I normally don't share. I really believe in something, in someone, or someone, kung ano man siya. Hindi nga ako pinabayaan mong buhay ko eh. And if I'm gonna live 70, 35 na buhay ko na, and I have lived a good life. A good life. So bakit pa ako mag-alala ngayon?
Right.
And I started from zero. And I'm here right now sharing half of my life. I don't think there's anything that I should be worried about. Maybe this is coming from privilege. Kasi alam ko naman, afford ko naman mag-surrogate. But I created those privileges for myself.
Right.
Hindi siya inabot na lang sa akin ng magulang ko, ayan, Angeli, 10 milyon gumawa ka ng anak. Ako gumawa noon for myself. And maybe that's why I am so calm sa journey ko. Meron na akong capacity to pay for the future that I want to create.
Right.
Like example, nagpa-freeze ako ng eggs ko out of love. I want to have the love that my mom meron for me and I have for her. That was my reason. Bakit ako nagpa-freeze ng eggs ko aside from being able financially. Yung isa pang story ng isang kakilala ko sa Madrid na friend ko, sad yung story niya why she chose to have a donor.
Sperm donor.
Sperm donor, no? Sperm na imbis na magkaroon ng asawa or ng boyfriend, she never had a good relationship with her parents, especially her dad. That's why we cannot have one storyline for everybody. Never niya gusto magkaroon ng asawa. Never niya gusto magkaroon ng fathers yung kids niya.
Right. Anak lang.
Anak lang.
Right.
Because she always wanted to have kids.
Right.
May 3 na siya ngayon.
Okay.
Siya mag-isa gumawa nun.
Right.
And I met her nung pregnant pa lang siya sa first niya. I met all her kids. Yun yung reason niya. Ayaw niya magkaroon ng father figure yung mga anak niya.
Right.
Kasi father niya was sobrang abusive and everything. So everybody has their own storyline.
Right.
And one formula doesn't apply to everybody.
And for you, you've mentioned that marriage is not required,
Mhm.
right? And if in your future, you never find a guy that you want to marry, would that be okay too? Like your friend?
Hindi ko pa yun naiisip.
Okay.
Never siya pumasok sa isip ko in that way. Parang,
Or you're very optimistic na magkakaroon.
hindi rin. Wait. Ang dami kasing lalaki.
Nakapila po sila.
Pero gets, I know sa ibang babae, which is very sad for me, sa mga friends ko din, wala kasing lalaki. Sa case ko kasi meron.
Okay.
Kaya nga sinabi ko sa friends ko, maybe the problem is not them, it's me. I am not taking this seriously.
Okay.
Diba? Maybe it's not them. Ang daming lalaki. I just went to Australia. I was like, oh my God.
So newsflash, maraming lalaki. Baka wala lang sila
Kasi
dito.
sometimes, Mirza, it's not, we tend to forget na sometimes, it's not always the other people yung problem eh.
Mm.
I'm trying to crack, maybe it's me. I'm having hard time to let go of my life.
But why is it a problem? You
I
said
mean,
you're so happy.
No, I mean problem in a way na kaya hindi pa ako nagsiseryoso.
Okay.
'Di ba? Maybe I am so parang good problem.
Right.
I am so parang flowing in my life.
Right.
Parang kang naka-high sa buhay mo. Ganyan yung nararamdaman ko. Parang always ako nasa cloud 9, ang ganda ng buhay ko. Maybe ako yung nahihirapan eto na yung naging comfort zone ko. Maybe ako yung hindi lumalabas
Right.
to try. I go out on dates, I've had relationships, ganyan. Pero parang na-realize ko, ako yung hindi nagsiseryoso.
Eh, baka ayaw mo pa.
Di ko rin
naman.
alam.
Na-freeze na yung eggs di ba? So,
Kasi diba, kasi kung gusto ko talaga, kahit sobrang love ko yung ex-boyfriend ko, dapat ano na kami. Last January.
pero hindi,
He wanted
ayaw
to
mo.
meet my mom na. And I said no.
Oh, okay.
Kaya nga sabi ko, this year, that part of my life, I'm gonna take it seriously.
Okay.
I-crack down ko talaga what's going on with me.
Right.
Last year kasi I healed all the unhealed parts of me. This year naman, healed na.
Right.
And I'm gonna see, ano ba yung good problem na ito? Ako or sila?
Right.
Kasi if sila lang, I can get married tomorrow
yeah.
if I want to. It's me. I have to work on myself. Feeling ko, I am building all these bricks na parang matatapos ko na.
Right.
Then, pag na-build ko na yon,
You can relax.
okay na ako.
Right.
Feeling ko my biggest thing na dala-dala ko is my office, my business. Gusto ko kasi, Mirza, pag nag-asawa ko, yung anak ako, feeling ko ito yung nagpapastop. Gusto ko maging mommy na lang ako. I won't be
Okay.
very fully active.
Okay.
I want to give the first 6 years to my child.
Okay. So, not ready pa nga.
Oo.
Diba? And that's fine.
Kasi my first baby is my business eh.
Yeah.
Feeling ko teenager na siya ngayon, mag-15 na siya.
Oo.
Siguro, ang timeline ko sa sarili ko is in 2 years, Angeli, kailangan mo na magseryoso.
By serious, so you mean build a family?
Hindi ko pa alam.
But no rush, right?
No rush.
Right.
It's just, dumating ako sa time ko na gusto ko na maging full adult.
Okay.
Now I can say it. I'm turning 35. Gusto ko na maging adult in a lot of ways. And for the first time in my life, nakita ko na yung self ko na may baby ako.
So I will never be a full adult.
No, in my perspective.
No, for me, which is fine, which is why I like it.
Actually, that was an option pinag-usapan namin ng mga friends ko.
Okay.
And they are LGBTQ.
Okay.
Ano ba tamang word? The
Tama.
partners?
Uh-uh.
So, Charles has a partner, Steve. I love them with my whole heart. Nakita ko yung life nila. Wala silang major na ginagawa. Their life will be always like that. Partner, may dog, travel, enjoy. Tapos tinanong ko yung friend ko. Sabi ko, friend, down to 2 options na lang tayo. I will have a partner, live this life that I have until the day I die, or isa pang route.
Oh.
It's a privilege to choose.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, Angelina, sa sayo yan. Anong gusto mo? Sabi ko, bakit parang nagkagulo lalo?
Like for me, itong ginusto ko.
Ayan yung ginusto mo.
Diba?
Kailan
And
mo
I'm
siya
happy.
na-polish na yan na yun?
21 pa lang ako. Gusto ko na maging child-free. Like never kong ginusto.
Never mo ginusto.
So, I achieved what I wanted.
Yeah.
Diba?
So at 21, I wanted to be a businesswoman. I achieved what I wanted. So the next thing is, let's see.
I'm so excited for
I
you.
The most amazing part naman ng life is your life needs to have a meaning to you,
Right.
not to others.
Personally, to
You-
yourself.
Yes, that's it. That's it.
Right.
If it has a beautiful meaning sa'yo, that's more than enough.
Right. And speaking of meaning, for those empowered independent women who want to have meaning in their love lives, what is your final piece of advice after talking about all the things you don't want to compromise and the life that you have built?
One thing I don't like about being in the Philippines is, I'll be very honest, ang bata-bata pa, tinitito-tita na yung sarili.
Oh, calling themselves tita.
Mm-mm, parang,
Okay.
I just recently learned trentahin, masakit na yung likod.
Oh my gosh, ang bata pa nun.
Right? And that's killing the excitement of life
Truly.
in so many ways. Because I'm seeing 2 perspectives. In Europe, people live life until they're 70.
Yeah.
Partying,
Right.
dressing up, putting lipsticks on. Lahat. And when I come back here, I see these people, trentahin, masakit likod,
Oh
masakit.
my gosh.
I'm like,
Napakabata pa.
Anjali, time to pack up. Vamos.
Right.
Let's go back. So I feel like we have the choice.
Yeah.
if your environment is like that, you have the choice to not be like that.
Right.
Just look at Sylvie, Emily in Paris.
Yes, idol.
She's 60 plus.
yes.
We have the choice. Like, I told somebody, you want to call yourself tita? Go ahead. Don't drag me into that. I was like, I lift 300 kilos sa hip thrust ko. And if you see you have back pain, I don't have that. You want to be like that? Go ahead. Don't expect others to be like that. Because for me, I want my life to be a paradise. Even may anak ako or wala. Every day I wake up, nice. I want every season of my life to be my prime. Diba? Iba-ibang stages.
Yeah.
Noong 20s ko, prime ko was traveler. People knew me as a traveler. 30s, now people are starting to know me as a businesswoman, you know? Prime, sa lahat. Ngayon, natuto na ako magdamit. Marunong na ako bumili sa Max Mara. Dati hindi ako marunong niyan. So that's the new stage of my life. 40 siguro, nasa farm na ako. You never know. That's the kind of life I want for myself. Every age is prime. Different theme lang.
Right. So anong kinalaman niya sa love?
Love.
Since love ang topic.
Yes.
But I get it. Because when you love yourself and the life that you built, it makes you
Iko-connect ko
better
na.
at love.
Iko-connect ko na.
Okay.
Love should be exciting. When you go out there to look for love out of desperation,
Yes.
it's sad. It's miserable.
Because you're panicking na
Oo.
trentahin ka na.
Magiging miserable ka. Kasi you're always looking, ay, sino papakasal sa akin? Sino papabuntis sa akin? Ganyan. But if you go out there to have fun, explore, ganyan. And ano naman kung hindi ka magkaanak? Is
Yeah.
life just about reproducing?
Right.
I don't think so. Diba? I think we also need to ask ourselves, kaya ba natin i-fund yung anak? That has become one of the biggest questions of our
And
generation.
it's so basic.
Of our generation. Mag-aanak ka ba for the sake of having one or kaya mo ba talaga? Like in my case, na-realize ko, I want to have a child because I'm building my Access Travel. I want someone to continue it. And what if ayaw nila? Bahala na. Diba? So parang doon nabuo yung desire. Nabuo siya desire out of my mom. Walang naiwan legacy sa akin yung mom ko. Ako minabuild ako. Gusto ko may pag-iiwanan ako somehow.
Right.
May mag-overlook. Yun yung naging reason ko. But dati, di ko siya naiisip kasi hindi ko pa na-consider yung Access as legacy. Pero now, I was like, I'm building this someday. Makikita ko yung anak ko, magiging businesswoman, assuming masusunod yung gusto ko. Parang ang sarap niyan tingnan. Sabi ko, what if ayaw niya? Okay lang. Sabi ko, at least, mababantayan niya pa rin.
Okay.
Diba? So yun yung naging one of the desires na nabubo in my ano. And, tapos tinatanong ko sarili ko, kaya ko ba? Mentally, emotionally. Then na-realize ko, I have 60 employees. I am a mom to them.
Yeah.
So maybe
For
I
sure.
am capable.
Yeah.
So yeah, for women, we all have our timelines. I think having spiritual guidance makes it a little bit easier.
Right.
But when you don't have guidance, spiritual, talagang you will feel miserable. But when you believe in your journey, sarap mabuhay, no? Diyos ko, alam mo kasi hindi ka naman pababayaan ni God, universe ko, ano man paniniwala nyo. And my personal belief is there is one, or maybe two, or maybe three people meant for us.
Okay. You mean romantic partners?
Romantic partners.
Okay.
Maybe hindi siya mag-work out with one.
Yeah.
Hindi yan isa lang.
For sure, mahaba ang buhay.
Yes. So sometimes may mga tao parang naghihiwalay in their 30s. Don't lose hope.
Yeah.
You will meet a lot of people. The best days are still ahead of us.
Believe.
Always believe.
Believe.
Believe and enjoy while waiting.
Enjoy while waiting. That's the most important
Being
part.
miserable is optional.
Yeah.
Being chaka is optional.
Being chaka.
Yeah. Be beautiful every day. You owe it to yourself. Be beautiful for yourself.
Yes.
Diba? Every day naka-Zimmerman ako for myself. Wala naman ako target market ng mga lalaki dito, but I want to be pretty every single day.
Thank you so much, Anjali. We could talk for 3 hours,
Yes.
but alas. So thank you again for enlightening us about your love life and love wisdom once again. So would you like to invite the suitors?
Huwag na, charing.
Madami na po sila. Invite people to follow your love adventures and love wisdom in addition to travel wisdom.
I just want to give a short message lang for women. Your purpose is not just to reproduce. You actually have to ask yourself, gusto ko ba magkaanak? Ako kasi tinanong ko last year lang eh. Gusto ko ba? Yes. Sabi ko, gusto ko siya ma-experience. Even once. If gusto ko na isa pa, ipapasurrogate ko na. Ayoko na siya gawin pa ulit-ulit kasi I believe hindi reproduction lang yung purpose ko sa buhay. You have to ask yourself, do you actually want to get married? Maybe hindi naman pala.
Yeah.
Diba? You ask yourself, gusto mo ba ng may partner? Misa kasi nakakatakot isipin buong buhay mo, may katabi ka na isang tao, diba? You ask yourself the questions first before you start seeking the answers. Kasi how can you seek something if you don't even know the questions? Diba? So yeah, on top of these things, please follow me on my socials. Angeli Dub. My podcast is Life in Progress PH. And everything else, makikita nyo na pag pumunta kayo sa platforms na yon. Don't rush. Enjoy your journey.
All right. Happy Valentine's. Bye.
So yeah.
Thank you for listening to You Can Do This. If you want to know more about me, visit Mirza.com. That's MYRZA.com. And follow me at Mirza Season on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If you like this episode, please don't forget to rate it 5 stars. Hit the follow button on your podcast streaming platforms and hit the notification bell to get alerted every time we release a new episode. Catch you at our next convo, and always remember, you can do this.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.